So thank you very much. This is Maxine from Anker, and she's just going to show us some of the newer things that you're launching at IFA today.
Thank you, Kit. So this is our first triple display docking station, and it can support triple display. We also have a demo area in that part, and it also have a Anker Sense View, so it will be there will be a smart display showing here, but actually now I think it's
not plugged in.
Yeah, lack of power, so it doesn't show. But yeah, we have a smart display in this area, and we also have active cooling technology, so the product won't be overheat. And we have 14-in-1 USB port, so you can connect it with different devices like Max Cool and also big screen. Yeah,
and is it Thunderbolt 4 or 5?
It's not Thunderbolt 5.
Not Thunderbolt.
This one is Thunderbolt 5, but we already launched in this year April, so it's a kind of old product, and this one is totally new, and we haven't launched it, and we don't know the price and release date yet.
Okay, yeah, cool.
Yes. And we also have this 3-in-1 wireless charger, so you can charge your phone, your iWatch, and also your AirPods here. And they also have a smart display because it shows.
Actually, that's quite cute little one.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's also because of Anker Sense View technology, and this product also we win a lot of awards, and we put in this area.
Yeah.
And we also have this one. This is really like a compact charger because it's 160 watt, just in a very small size. So I really love this product. It also have Anker Sense View technology. Will show the charging status in this screen, this small screen.
So you basically take one of
and we also have this very huge power bank. So this one is really high capacity. It's 300 watt and
300 watt.
Yeah, 26K. And you can connect this power bank with your phone with the Bluetooth, and you can use the phone to adjust the output of each port. So it's really,
I see.
Yeah, it's really.
So can they both be high powered? Oh, that's quite clever, right?
Yes.
The one I've got, I just think it has 100 watt. One reason I wanted to check in with Anker is I'm very much a user. Yeah, I really like this.
Oh, we launched it in CES.
Yeah. Is that right?
It's also popular power bank.
Yeah, really good.
And this one can, for charging laptop, it can charge 2 laptops and also 1 phone in the same time. So it's really high capacity one.
So 2 laptops at the same time and 1 phone. Yeah, really
good. We also have the smart display. Will show charging status.
Telling you about the battery temperature as well.
Yeah.
And it always smiles at you as well, the little display, doesn't it? Which is always nice. And it sometimes winks.
And this charging base can recharge this power bank, like maybe 50% within 15 minutes. It's really fast charging speed.
Cool, yeah.
And it not only this power bank, it also can recharge this power bank. They have the same technology, but just size is smaller and the capacity maybe 220 watt. So it's not huge.
So is that one higher than the aircraft is rated? So that's more of your travel one.
Yes.
And is that again, same 140 watt, 2 times, okay. That makes a lot of sense, doesn't it?
And the charging base can also recharge this one. You just put it in here, and except for these 2 power banks, the charging base can also recharge the whole Prime series power banks.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's all. This is a full lineup of Prime series products.
Yeah, thank you. So Anker, they are also a kind of umbrella brand for 2 other brands that they're showcasing here. It's not just 2 others, there's more than that in total, isn't there?
But currently we just have 3 sub-brands. It's Anker, Soundcore, and Eufy. So we want people to know we're not the only charging brand. We also have smart and home. We have smart home entertainment, Nebula, and also the Eufy products.
The Nebulas are the projectors, aren't they?
It's our projectors.
And what else? So
it's the Soundcore Nebula.
Soundcore and then Eufy is smart home.
Yes.
And then Soundcore.
It's entertainment.
So Tanya is a brand manager for Soundcore. So this is what do we call this?
And the AI voice recorder called Soundcore Work. Yeah, we just do the marketing release within this week, and it will be available from next month. Yeah, the price for this one is 159 euros.
Okay,
yes.
Cool.
And the Soundcore Work is AI voice recorder, and this one is the recorder itself. It's just a 10 gram. Yeah, and we have 3 ways to wear it. Like the first one is a pin. It's magnet. We can pin it like this way, and we come with a magnet, so it can like this. And the last one is this one is the charging case for it.
Right.
So it can be attached at the back of the phone. It's MagSafe. Yes.
Yeah. So how long will that last without the box?
Yes. If I use this one solely, 8 hours.
8 hours?
Yes,
wow.
with the recording.
Wow.
Yeah, with the case up to 32 hours. Yes.
That's pretty
So
impressive.
it's very easy to use. That's like one press. Yeah, it's working. When the light is orange, means it's recording now. Yeah, and another press is end.
Cool.
Yeah.
Can you show me the app on here
Yes.
that it uses?
Of course, because we have MFI, which means we can transfer the audio to the phone immediately. And I just to show you some articles we already put into it, like this.
Yeah, and it's an AI summary. There we go.
Yes, the transcription and the summary.
Yeah, that's
Summary
really good.
here.
Yeah, and a lot of people say, well, why can't you just use your phone for that? And I think, okay, you could, but then you have to pull out the phone,
Yes.
and all of a sudden that's in the way. You're having a meeting with somebody, or you're doing a bit of thinking and getting your ideas out, then not actually having that object in your hand is useful, and you can place it closer to your mouth. You can get a better quality sound there, therefore a better quality transcription. I see that in the marketing, it's like, well, that's clipped to his ear there, look as well. So, it's very useful kind of ideas. Yeah, I think it's a very interesting product. Just clocked that one straight away and thought that's an interesting idea.
And we have one more very important functions for this is when I heard something very important, just double tap the surface.
Yeah.
We will leave a mark at the audio player, and you can see the red flag here. We can just jump to that sentences right immediately, and it will show an orange sentences here. Yeah, and we also do this function at the summary, like the mark functions. This section is very quickly jump to that sentence.
Yeah, cool.
It's much easier to use. And we also have more than 25 templates to let people to choose different audio file to suit it, like the meetings, like meeting minutes. So we have the to-do list just send it away after the meeting.
Yeah.
Yes. And another important function is language. We support more than 100 languages. Yeah, like this. We can do the translate after we transcribe it.
Can you use it as a live translation as well?
Not live, not real time. Yeah, like this one. I just translated it.
Yeah, really good.
And we can distinguish different speakers, like speaker 1, 2, and we can also name it.
Yeah.
So we will have a full to-do list, and you know who will do what. Yes.
Yeah. And do you think that'll be a subscription for the app, or is that going to be free? The app itself, will it be free, or will it be a subscription? Do you think?
Current plan is because the price is 159 euros. So for the first half year, it's totally free, and after 6 months, we have to pay to a monthly fee for it.
Okay.
Yeah, but the price is to be determined. Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks a lot for showing me around Soundcore
Yeah, thank
and
you.
Anker. Thank you. Cheers. Appreciate you.